In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlink your Instagram account with your Facebook account. Welcome back to technology. The first thing we are going to do is go to our Facebook. You can also do it from your Instagram account. Once in the life, we are going to go to the upper right corner where the three lines appear and we press the icon of our pro life. Okay, where it says configuration and privacy, on settings and privacy, and press settings. The next thing we are going to do is press where we see the Meta Account Center. See more in Account Center to the slice Accounts. In Accounts, select the Pro Life, Facebook or Instagram. In my case, I remove Instagram. Remove account and continue. Yes, remove. You remove item relua. If you change your mind, you can re-add this account anytime. Okay. And thank you very much for watching this video. And don't forget to tell us if you have any question. We will answer them as soon as possible.